Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver HP Laser Pro. This here for serial. You type here the driver download and please why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website HP Laserjet Pro and this here support.xp.com. You click here. This one. This here for the printer, you scroll down. If you need change the operating system, you click here. And this here for the tag automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system, you click here. This here, if you change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Windows. If you need change, you click here. This here for operating system Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS. And if you need, you click Macintosh. And this here for operation for the Macintosh, the version. And if you make the operating system for the Linux, you click here for the Linux. And this here for the Linux version. If you make the operating system for the Windows, this here for March version for the Windows. And I am in download driver for the Windows 11 new version for Windows. Click here and this here for the update. This here for search for the operating system for the Windows, and this here for your install online. In this here install from uh, store. And this here for the online install. If you need to install offline, you click here. And this here for XP setup and XP Easy Star printer setup software. This here for connection required for the installation, and this here for support your printer, uh, scanner, and this here for other feature and a solution for the Windows 11. If you need download, you click here for the type of download. This one, and this here for the tripod download. If you need install therefore for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, and this here for button turn on, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and this one. Finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. And this here for the tag automatic your operating system. And if you need question, comment below. If you need link download, you search by Google and you're watching the my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.